Now, if you want to connect your Spaceship domain to Shopify, well, there are a few things that you may want to do here. So, first things first is you want to access your Shopify page. Now, in your Shopify store here, you want to go to your settings at the bottom left of your screen. And inside your settings, you should be able to see the section that says domains. Go and just click on domains. Now, inside domains, what we need to do is you want to connect your domain. Now, the thing with this one is you want to go and click on connect existing at the top right here. And you want to enter the domain that you've purchased from or Spaceship here. So in my case, let's go open up our Spaceship account. And in order for you to access your domain settings here, what you need to do is you want to go to all products at the very top. And by the way, you need to log in first. But in here, you want to go to domains at the left side. Now at the right side, you should see apps. You want to go and click on domain manager. And under domain manager, you should be able to see your domains. Let's go and select our domain here. Let's go and click on this one. And at the right side, you want to go and look for the option that says name servers and DNS. And in here, you have two options for adding or using it in your Shopify page. So what we need to do is you want to go and copy the domain or the actual domain first. So let's go and copy this one before we do so. And let's go back to Shopify, enter our domain, click on next, and wait for a while. Now this might take a while for them to confirm that this is your domain. It's going to ask you to add the following details. Now in here, what we need to do is we want to add the following details. So we want to update our DNS. Let's go and go back into our Spaceship here. Go to name service DNS. Click on advanced DNS. And in here, you want to go and start adding your your records. So the first record that we'll be adding is going to be the A record here. Let's go and copy the current value. Go back into Spaceship. Click on add record. Choose A. And in here, just provide the necessary details. From here, value is going to be this one. Now, you can go and keep this as is if you want, or 1R if you want. And just make sure the type is, or the name is correct. Now, next is we want to add the C name here. Go back into Spaceship. Click on add here first. And let's go and add at here. So this is the default one. Click on add. Let's go click on add record. So C name. This is going to be the value here. Go back in here. So it's going to be the value is going to be www. So www. Click on add. And finally, we have these one. So these are existing values here. So you want to update the value for this one. Let's go back here. And we want to change this to a different one. So now you might get this pop up here. You can go and just click on add new record. And once you've done that and added all the necessary details here, you can go and just go back into Shopify, click on I updated records here, and basically this will basically start the propagation. Now propagation may take for around like 24 to 48 hours, so you just need to wait for a while. But once it's actually done, you should have your new domain connected to your Shopify store. And that's about it. So hopefully this video is able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.